Iron is an integral part of hemoglobin, which enables the transport of oxygen in the blood. Anemia, or anemia, is a lack of hemoglobin or erythrocytes, red blood cells. A large percentage of women of reproductive age are believed to be anemic. Anemia occurs when there is insufficient intake of iron in the body, when there is an increased need for iron, pregnancy, breastfeeding, children in the period of growth and development, and reduced absorption of iron in the intestines, as a result of bleeding. What are the symptoms of iron deficiency? Lack of iron causes weakness, fainting, paleness, rapid fatigue, shortness of breath, brittle hair and nails, and hair loss. With a lack of iron, tissues and organs are not sufficiently supplied with oxygen, so hypoxia occurs. Anemia is diagnosed by a doctor based on a blood count. Depending on the degree of anemia, it takes several months of therapy to improve the blood count. What foods contain iron? Iron is relatively difficult to absorb, so it is necessary to take it in sufficient quantities. Good sources of iron are red meat, liver, cereals, fish, mackerel, sardines, eggs, beans, wholemeal or dark bread, green leafy vegetables, dried apricots, and prunes. Blackberry wine, blueberries, nettles, drops, beetroot, spinach, and cocoa affect the increase in iron levels. Nettle contains iron, copper, and vitamin C, but also manganese, which stimulates the release of iron from the depot. Vitamin C helps the absorption of iron in the body. And for better absorption of iron from food, it is useful to eat foods rich in vitamin C: pepper, tomato, orange, lemon juice. Despite the fact that iron is abundant in nature, a large number of people on the planet suffer from iron deficiency in the blood. If iron is low, oxygen does not reach the cells. It is necessary to turn to nature and look for ingredients and products that can be used as a cure for anemia. Honey and nettle recipe. Nettle seeds are used in ground form for this recipe. Nettle seeds are rich in vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients. In addition to nettle seeds, you need 1 pound of raw honey. In a glass container, use a wooden spoon to mix 100 grams of ground nettle seeds into 1 pound of raw honey. You have thus obtained an ointment made of nettle seeds and honey, which is used as a remedy for anemia, and you just need to store it in the refrigerator. You can take 1 tablespoon of the ointment prepared in this way every morning on an empty stomach. This natural remedy for anemia is excellent and effective, and its preparation is quick and simple. Beet juice for anemia. Beetroot is considered the best kitchen ingredient in the fight against anemia and a cure for anemia. Due to the high concentration of iron it contains, raw beetroot juice is the most effective body cleanser and natural remedy for anemia. Use 1 glass 3 times a day. Nettle tea for anemia. Harvest nettle leaves in the spring because that's when they are most medicinal. They are rich in minerals, especially iron, phosphorus, calcium, silicon, and vitamin C. It is important to use gloves when collecting to avoid burning the skin. Nettle tea is prepared very simply, by pouring boiling water over a teaspoon of dried and finely chopped nettle leaves and letting it steep for a few minutes. Then strain and drink 3 times a day. Cocoa and honey for anemia. Cocoa and honey in combination form an excellent natural remedy for anemia and improving blood count. Cocoa has the highest percentage of iron and is recommended as a cure for anemia. It is rich in vitamin C and copper, very important for the treatment of anemia. For this natural anemia cure, it is best to use raw, organic cocoa powder as it has the best healing effect. Mix 1 teaspoon of honey with 1 teaspoon of cocoa powder. Use every morning on an empty stomach. Blackberry smoothies for anemia. Blackberry contains vitamin C, bioflavonoids, iron, calcium, tannins, sodium, essential oils, B vitamins, vegetable fiber, as well as malic and tartaric acid. As it is rich in iron, it is ideal as a remedy for anemia. Use 1 glass 3 times a day.